hot, isn't it?
Yes. So what are you making there, Macarena?
I am making brown. I am making chocolate cookies.
So what ingredients do you add in?
So far we've added butter, melted, and we've also got the brown sugar and caster sugar. 60 grams for caster sugar and 40 grams for brown sugar. Egg. Take this. Adding the egg yolk. Now time to mix it. Time to mix it. 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla scent.
So far all your ingredients.
60 grams of butter. 60 grams of caster sugar, 40 grams of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla scent, and we've also have gotten the egg, 1 egg.
1 egg. That's good. You remembered your ingredients so far, have you?
Yep. Because I made it before.
Welcome to RT Homeschool Cooking.
And we've got 170 grams of flour, normal flour. And we got baking powder. That was
Mix it.
we got the volcano soda, and that was 1.5 spoons. Like and subscribe to RT Homeschool. So at this point, we got to use our hands. At some point we do, and then use all the cooking the cookies. Okay. Stick it in with our hands. We got to make sure that we have a lot because it's only for 6 people and 6 cookies then. So we have a lot. We've only have put it inside 60 grams of butter, 60 grams of caster sugar, and 40 grams of brown sugar, and 1/4 of a teaspoon, and 1 egg with 170 grams of plain flour with a 1.5 tip of fufu wasn't that much. So we put more egg in, and we put some chocolate chips in. Now
You see how many bowls? 6.
6.
we gotta make 6 balls. The balls that go. We put 3 cookies in so far. Oh, now 5 cookies in. Chocolate chips.
You need to check
We're gonna make more. It's a big thumbs up. It's so yummy, and if you put some ice cream on it, make it even yummier. Thumbs up. It's a very thumbs up. It's so good, especially when you put ice cream on. It's so good. Like it. Have it. Like and subscribe.